Hello, I'm Carla and welcome to Our Edwardian Home in London, England. Today we're over to the British Heart Foundation shop in Wallington in Surrey, and this one is mainly furniture. So let's get thrifting. So look at this. This is a solid wood pedestal coffee table with brass feet, and it's only £40. It might not be your colour, so paint it to match. Not everyone wants dark wood. I actually think this looks like it's oak. All you do, if you don't want to deal with sanding it, give it a wipe and paint it in chalk paint. This is hilarious. So this is a needlepoint of Little Boy Blue, the famous painting. Look at this beautiful mirror. This mirror, it's beveled, so that's a sign of better quality. It's a beveled curved wood mirror, and what was that, £5? Yeah, £5. Crazy. And again, look at this, £5. You've got a ship. Actually, I think they're bombing each other, which is not very friendly. It doesn't matter. You've got two amazing ships. Yeah, they are bombing each other because you've got an American flag, and I don't know whose that flag is. You've got a gilt wooden framed, massive picture for £5. If you don't like the picture of the Americans cannoning everyone on the other side, absolutely fine. Take the picture out and put in a picture of me or someone else that you like. So you've got to do. Controversially, I don't like the red mounts, but if you were just dressing a house for sale or you had a specific theme, this I like, £3 bargain. Here you've got 4 of those red and gold framed prints, and you could easily make up a living room or a hallway, and each one is either £5 or £7, which is a bargain. And look at this! The large coffee table is £40, the small coffee table is only £15. No one's got an excuse to have a bad home. All of this stuff is just sitting here waiting for you to pick it up. I just spotted beautiful frame, £5. And if you like the picture, even better. Oh my god, I'm in love. Oh my god, look at this gothic sideboard. £50. It's only £50. Oh, where is it? It's hiding. It's in the drawer. And you know what? You can tack and stick that on all by yourself, because you save about £300 by doing it all by yourself. I'm fighting it. Someone's obviously locked the door. If you do the little bits that need work on this, whether you painted it or didn't paint it, it's a beast, it is large. You're going to make a ton of money if you want to resell it. From a landlord's point of view, this is excellent for displaying in small studio flats or in small kitchens that you can have a dining area. For £40 you get your table and 2 chairs, and I think that's a great price because they're solid wood, so it'll be really hard for the tenant to break them. I don't like this piece of furniture, but I just thought it was funny that that person has more control issues than I do, because they state specifically what you may put in the cupboard. Look at this. This is £300 for a modern, poorly made wardrobe. This set, I can tell you, I have the same set in some rental properties in grey. This is their olive colour. They are okay if you make them and leave them alone. Only supply roughy tufty solid wood furniture. This is a great example. £10 each. So you can get 2 solid wood bedside tables for £10 each and the matching chest of drawers for £35. Because these aren't really marked, if you literally just wanted to put them in a room, that's fine. You could also just choose to neutralise that orange pine colour slightly by stripping them down and resealing them. If you want to buy these pieces and flip them, there's a huge margin you can have in this. These prices are amazing, I think. Thank you for joining us. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you spotted that you think I should have purchased. We'll see you on the next video.